Hello, we're going to continue writing equations given certain information. We've written slope-intercept form equations. We've written standard form equations. We've written point-slope form equations. Now we're going to write equations that are horizontal or from horizontal and vertical lines. Now, a couple of things you need to know. Horizontal line. Sometimes I know we don't use these words often, so it's kind of hard to remember which one is which. So I want you to think about this. If I were to write the word horizontal, the Z has a tail. Extend that tail. And that's what a horizontal line looks like. It looks like it's going from left to right. And horizontal lines, when we're writing the equation of them, it's always y equals, because the line will go across the y-axis. So there's a couple of ways for you to be able to remember that. Now when we talk about a vertical line, think about it this way. We've got V-E-R, T. What if that T was a line? Let's call it the x-axis, right? So vertical lines move up and down, and they are always x equals because they go across the x-axis. So here we go. We have a couple questions here. This won't take long. Is the graph of y equals 1 a horizontal or vertical line? Well, we've got y and it equals 1, and we know that y equals something goes from left to right and it goes across the y-axis, so this would be a horizontal line. Now we have this. Look at the graph, write the equation of the line. Well, first of all, we know it's a vertical line, so we know it's going to be x equals, because it's going up and down and it's going across the x-axis, and you just look at the number it goes across. Well, it goes across the 6, so x equals 6. Now, let me just take a moment to show you why this makes sense. If I were to tell you what these ordered pairs were, or if we were to write the ordered pairs, we know that this ordered pair would be 6, 0. And this ordered pair would be 6, 3. And this ordered pair would be 6, -4. So if you notice, all of the x values are 6. So it makes sense for x to equal 6. Now let's look at the next one. We've got, look at the graph, write the equation of the line. Well, it's not going across the x-axis, it's going across the y. So it's going to be y equals, and that would be -70. Now why does that make sense? Well, let's look at the ordered pairs. This would be, I didn't go left or right, I went down to -70. Well, this one over here would be, I went over 80 but down to -70. Over here, I went, let's do this one. I went to the left, -60, but I went down to -70. Notice that all the y values are the same. So if you ever get confused, go ahead and write your ordered pairs. And if it's a vertical line, then you know that it will be x equals a number. If it's a horizontal line, you know it will be y equals a number. So now it's your turn. Be right back with your answers. Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to get the same answers that I have here on the your turn. If not, let's have a conversation about it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.